Okay, tell me about yourself first.
I'm Sharath and I'm 17. My dad was a politician. My mom is a housewife. I have an elder brother. He's 18.
Your dad was, you told.
Yeah.
What?
He passed away due to COVID 2 years ago.
At what age actually he passed away?
It was after my 10th, after 15.
After 15,
Yeah.
actually he passed away. So I don't know how to ask this question, but really it's a bad time you had. Actually your
Yeah.
age near about 15, 16, you like a kid only, I can say that.
Yeah.
So how you dealt that things?
I had many members to support me, many well-wishers. Like when you go through something that is too dark or too intense to you, you should have someone to motivate you, someone who can give you that positiveness. You should have a good circle around you.
So you have that circle you are
I
thinking?
have that circle.
Okay, how actually, what about your mother? How the relation you and your mother?
We are not that close, but yeah, we love each other. That's why I'm on this trip, I guess. Yeah.
Okay, that how was you and your father relation?
My dad was close to me. We used to talk like every day. We used to play indoor games with each other, like carom, like chess. He was close to me. Yeah.
So any memories actually you have of him?
I have a gift which he gave me on my last birthday. I mean, before he passed away. That year's birthday, when I was 14.
So you kept like precious manner.
It's there.
And I'm thinking it would be there forever. That you also.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think that any persons or persons are there in your life that could take your father's place?
They certainly can't replace him, but someone who filled his shoes was my brother. Like when I came for my 11th admissions, he was the one who was with me, and my uncle was there, my aunt was there. Yeah, so they were the ones who got me into 11th. Yeah.
So how you are? Actually, you are emotional person or not that kind of emotional person?
I'm not very emotional. I'm not very boring or something. I'm like in the middle.
Okay, so how actually that you dealt that when your father passed away? Because of that you are telling about that you are emotional, that when I'm talking to you that I found that some emotional actually it's
there.
actually,
Yeah.
so that how you dealt with that?
See, when my father passed away, it was a shock. It was complete shock. I was in home that night. My bro was with my dad when he was in the hospital. My bro informed me about this. I was completely shocked that night. But later on, I cried. Yeah, I cried like for one day. I didn't have my dinner that night. How I dealt with this was there were good circles around me, good friends, good brothers, good relatives. Yeah.
Tell me that in your life, in which place you are putting love?
Family is ultimately love, sir. It's not anything different. It's just love, but it's not in the correct form, but it's love.